Would you like this? Or you like this? Okay. So Holly would like. You want to try? I will pick up. You know what? On a crochet cruise, but surrounded by community, we don't leave anybody behind. That's her rule here, okay? So in this room, just take a moment and look around. These people have your back. Never forget that.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna try to share.
I just want to thank everybody for accepting me. Because I don't get that where I'm because of what happened to me. I don't get to go out very much because I'm embarrassed to because I don't have any hair. So thank everybody for just accepting me for who I am and not for what I look like. Thank you. You're beautiful.
Holly was sharing with me before she came on the cruise because of that, because of the community of a year and a half of, and this was Jeannie's idea of pulling you all together every time your reservation was accepted. She came to the ship with the understanding she would be accepted, and she came to the understanding that she could actually not have to wear her wig every day. Because of you, because of the communications online, you made a difference, and never forget that.